practical. So for PSM practical, you have to write down in a practical. Just write down now rectal temperature. Write down the topic rectal temperature, oral temperature and axillary is over. So come up with the rectal temperature. When your after your temperature is over, we will be starting with pulse. Okay. Write down rectal temperature. RECTAL, rectal temperature. TEMPERATURE, rectal temperature. Write down. Rectal temperature is measured. Rectal temperature is measured. Rectal temperature is measured. MEASURED. Rectal temperature is measured by inserting INSERTING, by inserting thermometer, THERMOMETER, by inserting thermometer in the rectum, RECTUM, in the rectum, RECTUM, in the rectum, to check body temperature. To check body temperature. To check body temperature. Full stop. Change the paragraph and write down. It has a similar bulb, BULB, bulb like shape, bulb-like shape as an oral temperature, as that of an oral temperature. As that of an oral temperature. But usually has a shorter and shorter and thick, THICK, shorter and thick tip, TIP, shorter and thick tip, TIP, for easier insertion, INSERTION, for easier insertion into the rectum. For easier insertion into the rectum. RECTUM, rectum. So in rectal temperature, what is that? Rectal temperature, it is measured by inserting a thermometer, okay, inside the rectum of a baby. It is mainly done for babies, not for older adults, okay, mainly for babies it is done. So what is a rectum? So what is rectum? Rectum, it is a section or a part of your digestive tract. Okay, it is a section of your digestive tract. It will be just above the anus. Okay, where stool is stored, where your stool is stored. Stool. Okay, so and the shape of the thermometer is quite different, okay, compared to your axillary thermometer and your oral thermometer. Here it has a bulb like shape. Okay, the diagram I will be giving you in WhatsApp. Okay, you have to see the diagram, you check the diagram, and then you have to draw whatever. I will be giving you two diagrams, so I want you to draw that in your practical notebook. I will giving you one thermometer diagram along with its parts, so that one, if possible, you try to do in your first classes where I have taken on temperature. I want you to draw there. And for today's class, I will give you again, so that one you can draw in rectal, this one temperature diagram. For that, you can draw that. So it has a similar bulb-like shape, okay? And the tip of the thermometer will be very short and it will be thick. Okay, so why it is short and thick? So that it can enter easily into the rectum, so that it might cause no pain or injury to the patient or to the baby. Okay, so for that the tip is short and thick. Next you write steps to take rectal temperature. Steps to take rectal temperature. You can underline it. Steps to take rectal temperature. Underline it and write to take a rectal temperature. To take a rectal temperature, comma, to take a rectal temperature, comma, you will need a thermometer. You will need a thermometer and a lubricant. You will need a thermometer and a lubricant. Lubricant. And a lubricant. And a lubricant. Full stop. The first point you write, number 1. Write down number 1. Put petroleum jelly. Put petroleum jelly. PETROLEUM. Petroleum jelly or a water soluble lubricant, or a water soluble SOLUBLE, or a water soluble lubricant, LUBRICANT, or a water soluble lubricant on the end of the thermometer. On the end of the thermometer. Full stop. On the end of the thermometer. Full stop. Number 2nd point you write, number 2. Lay the child on the stomach. Lay the child on the Lay the child on the stomach and spread the buttocks. And spread the buttocks apart, APRT, apart. Apart, comma, or place them, PLACE, or place them on their back, with their knees pulled up, with their knees pulled up, with their knees pulled up. Full stop. Number 3, third point, insert the bulb end of the thermometer insert the bulb, bulb, insert the bulb end of the thermometer, bulb end of the thermometer, bulb end of the thermometer into the anal canal, into the anal, ANAL, into the anal canal, CANL, anal canal, not more than 1 inch, not more than 1 inch, INCH, not more than 1 inch. Insert the bulb end of the thermometer into the anal canal, not more than 1 inch, full stop. Number 4, keep the thermometer for at least 1 minute. Keep the thermometer for at least 1 minute. 1 minute. Gently in the child's rectum. Gently in the child's rectum. RECTUM. Gently in the child's rectum. RECTUM, rectum. Full stop. Number 5, remove the thermometer. Remove the thermometer. Remove the thermometer and read the result. Remove the thermometer and read the result. And read the result. Full stop. Number 6, disinfect the thermometer. Number 6, disinfect. DISINFECT. Disinfect the thermometer. Disinfect the thermometer with alcohol. With alcohol, ALCOHOL. With alcohol or alcohol-based wipe. Or alcohol-based BASED, or alcohol-based wipes. WIPES, alcohol-based wipe. Full stop. So these are the steps that you need to follow while taking a rectal temperature. Okay, first you will have to moisturize the thermometer, okay, using a petroleum jelly or a lubricant. Okay, this lubricant and petrol jellies are what? These are medications. Okay, it's a medication used as moisturizers. Okay, for smoothing and easy insertion of the thermometer into the child's rectum. Okay, to prevent dryness, pain. Okay, so for that, before inserting, petroleum jelly or water soluble lubricant should be properly put into the end of the thermometer. The bulb should be properly lubricated so that it can have an easy access into the child's rectum. Next is, you will have to insert the thermometer not more than 1 inch. Okay, not more than 1 inch should be put. Otherwise, the child will start crying. Okay, the child will have pain, anxiety. Okay, and he or she will not be giving you to do the procedure anymore. He will cry, he will move. So your procedure will be incomplete. So for that, only 1 inch should be put into the child's rectum. Next is, after you have to check for 1 minute. If it is a digital thermometer, then it will easily beep. But if it is a clinical thermometer, then you will have to wait for 1 minute. After putting, you have to check in your watch. After that, you have to remove the thermometer, read the result, note it down properly. Okay, then last is, you have to disinfect the thermometer as it was put into the rectum of the baby. So for that, after taking it out, you will have to disinfect. Okay, disinfecting is very much important to prevent any kind of infection. So you have to disinfect the thermometer with alcohol or alcohol based wipes. All this alcohol or alcohol based wipes, this you will get in the hospital itself. So this is how you will disinfect, and this is all about your rectal temperature. So for rectal temperature, I will be giving you one diagram. You, after writing the notes on the plain side, you please draw the diagram. And for thermometer and its parts also, you just write down a big headline, thermometer and its parts, and you have to draw thermometer, and parts are also given there. I will give you in WhatsApp, so you can do this tomorrow or maybe next day. So
Thank you, everyone.
Ma'am said we can leave the class.
Thank you, ma'am.